Situated amongst moss-draped live oaks, between the bass-filled waters of Buddy Lake and Lake Pasadena, is one of Florida's most unique luxury equestrian properties. Surrounded by hills, which is unusual in Florida, the landscape provides a beautiful backdrop for the two state-of-the-art barns. Well-maintained pastures, 2 homes, and plenty of room to ride on a total of 350 acres. This property is ideal for the serious horseman who is looking for a private and unique location. Designed by Blackburn architects who specialize in optimal living environments for equines and creative design philosophy, these beautiful barns provide a safe and comfortable working environment for both horse and rider. This includes aerodynamic ventilation, strategic natural light, and a design that offers functionality in every way. Every attention to detail can be found in both barns as well as the entire farm. Two lakefront homes sit on opposite shores of Buddy Lake, offering fantastic views of the lakes, hills, and sunset beyond. Sheik Island Farm is ideally located between Tampa, Ocala, and Orlando in the heart of Florida horse country. It is central to many of the state's top horse events in both English and Western disciplines, as well as racing and polo. This farm will be going to auction soon, offered in whole or part. Let your waterfront and equestrian dreams come true. Serenity, beauty, top-notch equestrian facilities. You can have it all. This farm will be going to auction on September 26th at 11 a.m.